Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you haven't used one of these blowers like this, man, you got to try this out. These are great. This is the wireless high-speed fan by WILLGOO, and it's the FS15. So I'll show you guys what this is and how it works. Hopefully it's got a little bit of charge in it, so we'll have it to go with. But I'll show you guys what we get here and take all the pieces out. So let's see. I think that's everything. Yep, nothing underneath. So, okay, so first of all, I'll just show you guys the charger. It comes with a USB to USB-C charger for it, which is nice to have. And then this is the device. And so let's see, we have the power. Well, okay, I'll show you guys. That's where you charge it on the bottom. And the bottom's a little bit rubbery, so if you put it down on a stand, it'll probably keep its place. And it's got some weight to it with all the battery. So I guess you push the button, probably hold it down. And there, now it's on, and it's on a low mode. And we have the little thing here that's the different one here. And now I've got it blowing me away. Wow, okay, so let's see. And then I can take off the top. Whoa. And I can have it really blowing me big. I don't know if you can even hear me, but and if you want to blow some small stuff, you can use this one here. And it's very strong. And then we have this little tiny one, so if you want to get into crevices, wow, it's hard to even screw on. It's got so much pressure. This would be great for like cleaning out the car or into little pieces and stuff, or if you get something in between the seats. Here, I'll turn it. Ooh, that's really cool. I like the adjustable speed, and you hold down the button to turn off. But yeah, it'd be great for if you get like drop stuff in between your seats in your car. You could just use this thing to blow it out, like some French fries or whatnot. It'll totally clean things up. And you can see the fan in there, and it's nice and heavy duty. It's made of like a heavy duty plastic and stuff, so you could probably even drop it and nothing's gonna happen. And that variable speed is really cool. I had one of these before, and it was just either low or high. I like the way this one has the middle speed too, so you can keep it a little bit quiet, or if you just don't want to blow away everything, like if I'm doing something on cleaning off my dashboard or something, I don't necessarily want it to be full blast and blow away all the papers I have on there, but I want it to just clean up some of the dust or whatever. You can use this. So these are super nice. I like this one here. This is going to be my new go-to one by WILLGOO. So really nice, and man, it's just super easy. You push the button and you are getting air. I don't know if you can see my hair blowing away. You could even use this as a travel hair dryer or something. It's not going to get hot, but it'll definitely blow. So totally awesome.